Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Blasts, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is to schedule your emails. Email scheduling is a superb feature to be using when writing emails, especially during the evening or after work hours, as this adds a time delay to the email and will only become visible to the person you've sent that email to or notify them at the specified time. Now, to do this, what you want to do is to compose an email like you'd normally do, and then once you've finished writing it, if we head on down to the send button, there is a little triangle pointing down next to it for more options. If we click on this, it will then give us an option to schedule send this email. From here, you can then choose a specified time, such as tomorrow morning at 8 AM, or tomorrow afternoon at 1 PM, or Monday morning. But you can even add your own custom date and time by clicking on Select Date and Time here. And then once you've selected a time and date, all you need to do is click Schedule Send at the bottom right.